I hope you're doing fantastic. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina and I love to paper craft. I love to shop crafty supplies and also to organize them. So if you are interested in watching this type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, it's a project share. I participated in an embellishment box swap hosted by the lovely Tony Craftpurge, and I'm just gonna show you what I received from my swapping partners. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I got. Well, my desk is just full of glitter, and I'm using this brush, sparkle sweeper. So, okay. So now I have a package from Tony Craftpurge, and I participated in her embellishment box swap. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the package and show you what I got. See? All right. Wow. Yeah. So I got 3 packages here. So the first one is from Lori Slavic and her same name in Facebook. So apparently she's in Facebook, and it's taped so things don't fall apart, which is clever. And let's see what we got here. Let's see. Alrighty. Okay, it's cute. And look at that. Let's come closer here. So in this first compartment we have these nice beads. I know I'm showing glitter everywhere, right? And these mini stickers, happy birthday. Let me see what we got here. I'm probably gonna come closer so you guys can see better. Oh, these are like tiny little stickers that said happy birthday. How cute. Happy birthday. How neat. Thank you. And some clothespins, like plain, so I can decorate them or glitter them. A shell. Oh my goodness. So she's showing us what we can do with the happy birthday mini stickies. You can use a shell and 2 little beads. And this is on a Lego piece. I hope my camera will focus better. Yes. How neat. Look at that. More beads here. And shells and crystals. More shells. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Super cute. And more little glass shells. No, glass beads. Not glass shells, but glass beads. Some neon paper clips. Cool, because I don't have neon paper clips. And another shell. And a Lego. Oh, it's supposed to be... Oh, this is her handmade piece. Just flip off a little bit, but happy birthday. And I love these kind of like ring beads too. And then this other one, I remember Tony showing this. These are beads closures. Oh, how neat. So if you want to do like a bracelet or something in my camera, how neat. This is nice. More beads and shells. And these are big ones, like to do necklaces. It's almost like a jewelry embellishment box. Super cute. This other one. Some hearts. And more little small beads. Okay, so this box is from Lori Slavic. And I'm gonna move on to the next one. The next one came packaged like this. And, oh, that's nice. Oh, unicorns. Let's see. Look at that. Oh, how cute. So it's, I bet this is the goodie. Yeah. These are the extra goodies. And she is giving us some, oh, that's nice. Shape. Pipe cleaners in different shapes. And some die cuts. That's neat. And she decorated with lots of trims here. And let's open this up and let's take a look. All right. Oh, I love these flowers. They're like blue. And these are like resin or like gingerbread dolls. Oh, and here is the mold. How neat. So I can make my own. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And, oh, look at these, more of the resins and the mold. Ice cream. Like popsicles, right? And then some, oh, I love these color, the sequins. Very cute. And oh, I love these. She made these. Oh my goodness, how cute. These are bears, and here is the mold, so I can make my own bear. And more flowers, roses, blue and red. And ice cream, and the mold. And more teeny flowers here and there. Super cute. And then the other compartment, we have some mini pom-poms, and this is the mold for the rainbow. How nice. And these are mini taggies. Oh, and she painted these. How nice. And flowers. And what is in here? Oh, these are crowns. Oh, these are nice. Like neon crowns. Wow, that's a lot of crowns. Ooh, I like that. Thank you, thank you. I don't have that die. And then over here we have some muffins. I think this is her also handmade. And oh, I love these mini forks and the hot dog or macaroons. Yeah, not hot dogs, but macaroon. I'm always thinking about hot dogs. Macaroons. And another, oh, this is the rose and the mold for the rose. Oh, so cute. And the unicorn, the mold for the unicorn, and here are the unicorns. Wow, super cutie. Super cute. And then some mini stickies, girl boss, sweets, and flowers, more little flowers. And this is her handmade too, mini rosettes, super cute. And this is from, maybe it's in here. Oh, here it is. Here is the card. Oh, so it's make your own glue embellishments. So she used silicone mold filled with hot glue. Oh, with hot glue. Oh, cool. On instructions. So her name is Paula Collins. And okay, this is her first swap. Okay. Thank you, Paula. And the last one I know, I'm just like so close, right? Over here. The last embellishment box is, I love the tool. Of course, gotta move the glitter out of my way. It is from, oh, I'm gonna save these. Hello, sweet friend. I love the fringe and how she decorated in the rose. And let's open this up. Let's see, where is this from? And a look at her embellishment box. Oh, I love these beads. These are like so cute. Super duper cute. Oh, more bows. And oh, I love these chunky flowers. Love it, love it. And some, oh, I love these. Kind of like trim and nice tassels. These are her black flowers, and look at the centers, how beautiful. And she also gave me lots of bling bling here. I'm gonna come closer now so you guys can see better. And lots of buttons, different colors. And oh, I love these. Oh, these are so cute. They're like teardrops, like charms. Super cute. Oh, look at this mini lipstick. Oh, so cute. And then bows here. Black and gold. Colors of the Steelers. The football team here in Pittsburgh. Go Steelers. And here, oh, look at this mini tag, baby mini tag, so cutie. I love this one too. And her embellished paper clip. And more bling, bling, bling. You know me, I love bling. And more bling, bling. These are big blings. Wow. Look at that. Super cute. I haven't seen these. And then I think this is a, wow, look at this heart. Super cute, right? Okay, and then she also gifted, sent me some 4th of July stickers. And more stickers. And I'm probably going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can see better. Yeah. Wow, so these are the 3 embellishment boxes that I got. And I'm going to leave the list of these crafty ladies in the description box below. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for your support, my crafty friends, and see you in my next video. Bye.